The first thing I'm gonna say is not, is it on? Should we try something different? Should we try something different this time? FLOFL, right? Fucking laughing out fucking loud, right? Okay. Hey, it's Lars. It's June 5th. What is it, Wednesday? Now we just got done doing the web chat upstairs, which was really cool. It was really cool to be back in touch with you guys and have James with us and stuff. We did the gig last night at this joint here in San Francisco called Chemo's, and it was just really fucking super cool to be back on stage and playing, obviously, and playing the old shit and sweating and feeling energy.
Okay, close your eyes. Great surprise. 1981. 3. Now 1.
Okay, check this out.
I know there's a bunch of you guys asking why we didn't announce that we were doing it, but you know, we really wanted to kind of just do it low key and for ourselves, and just kind of not have like this big fucking thing and have like pressure and all that shit. You know, we haven't played a Metallica gig in almost 2 years, so we just wanted to be low key and, you know, for ourselves. So I hope you guys at least respect that. But I hope that we'll be doing more low-key club shows here in the San Francisco area in the next few months, and I'm sure we'll probably announce some of them along the way. So that's all good. We're here in the studio making a record. I think you guys have seen some of the pictures, and when you get around to it, maybe you could post some more. Yeah, you know, Nicholas is rolling his eyes, but it's great, man. It's really cool. We're doing some really cool, weird ass, psycho, heavy shit, and we'll share some of it with you guys as soon as. I think we're about 2 weeks away. We're gonna do this like in the studio website or something, right?
I would say 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay. No, about 3 weeks. We're gonna set up a kind of a studio version of Met on Tour, Met Club on Tour,
Met on Tour.
Met on Tour. That so you guys can go to the site that has all information just about what we're doing in the studio, and they'll be updated regularly, and new pictures and silly comments and Lars Latin and all your other stuff. And you know, we'll throw some tidbits up there of the shit that we're doing. Actually, it was really cool. We played a new song last night. I played it like way too fast. I started it and I'm like sitting there going, fuck, I hope I make it through. And I was told that it was too fast. So if anybody was there, just imagine it slower. Anything else that I should talk about?
I think
That's good, right? Okay, so it's all good. So look for this studio website. That's gonna be pretty cool, and we'll definitely be stopping by the chat rooms more often. It's pretty cool. Guys are some pretty crazy motherfuckers, you know that, don't you? We'll stay in touch, alright?